Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to animate your photos and bring them to life.
Pixaloop is a free app that you can download to your phone. It allows you to bring those pictures to life. There is a pro version that comes with additional features for about $3.99, but today everything I'll be showing you is mostly from the free version. First, start a new project, then select your photo. Next, click on Animate, then click on Path. Paths let you create movement in the photo. Anchors stop the animation and can define the area you want animated. Arrows below the photo allow you to undo and redo edits. Play and pause on the right allows you to preview your animation. To delete paths or anchors, just click Remove and click on the path or anchor you want to delete. The speed allows you to adjust the speed of your animation. Without anchors, things get a little trippy. Now, I normally don't use anchors for photos like this, but I did want to show you guys what it looks like. I normally just do like sky and overlay edits, which I'll show you in a little bit. You can do some pretty cool stuff like this. The freeze tool is used on areas you don't want animated. It's kind of simpler version of the anchor tool, but anchors you could get a little bit more precise. The Loop tab will show you different types of animations. Now, I normally only stick to the original one. I don't waste too much time with the other ones. They look kind of wonky to me, but I'm sure with the right animation you could really pull it off. However, yeah, I mostly just stick to the same. I believe that's called the blend one. Yeah, it just looks a lot nicer. To unfreeze, it's just like an eraser. I'm going back and deleting these paths because I'm just going to use a sky and an overlay today. Alright, now click on the sky tab. This is what allows us to change up the sky. There's a ton of options, especially in the free version, and really, sky's the limit. But for real, what I like to do is try and find a sky that matches the time of day my picture was taken. This picture was taken around golden hour in the evening. You may have noticed this photo at the beginning of this video, and I am editing it a little bit different. I kind of want to show you the versatility of this app and how you can do some pretty cool things with it. I think I want to go for a stormy edit. even though this picture wasn't even taken during the rain. Double-click on the selected sky to change things such as the horizon, opacity, and the wind. The wind will change the direction of which your sky is going. The horizon, as you can see, is changing toward the trees. And the opacity. I like to tweak it just a little to have it blend in better. And here's an example of the wind. Next, select Overlay. Overlays add animation on top of your photos. You can also adjust the opacity as well in them. There's a lot of cool things like weather that I personally enjoy when I use this app. Have some really cool things. As you can see, the possibilities are pretty much endless. I use this fog a lot. I can't wait till winter to use the snow. And I love the raindrops on the window, but I haven't found a picture to use it on yet. I think I'm gonna go with this rain. Elements allow you to add other graphics, which are adjustable to your photo. You can add things like smoke, which I try and pass off as fog because they don't have an adjustable fog. And butterflies. I don't use these a whole lot, but they are pretty cool. Clicking Adjust helps blend and change your brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue of the photo, as well as your edits. What's really cool about this tab is you can really get a cohesive look by adjusting all of these things. I'm thinking that looks pretty good. 𝗪𝗵𝘁 gives you cinematic camera effects. I don't use this a whole lot in my photos, but they can be pretty cool if it's like a photo of yourself or somebody else, or yeah, as you can see, they do some pretty cool things. Definitely fun to play around with. I'm pretty simplistic, so I'm gonna go ahead and just stick with what I got. To export, click in the top right corner, that little arrow up, and it'll take you to this screen. Select the duration of the animation, the quality, and export it as a video. Now, I know you can export it as a GIF, blah, 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 but I personally like the video best anyways. You can also share to Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. As you can see, there's a ton of things that you can do to animate your photos, and you don't even need Photoshop. I'd love to see what you come up with, so please tag me on Instagram at @𝗪𝗁𝐿izPhoto.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or feedback, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I have a lot of upcoming content coming up, so if you like taking pictures of animals, your pets, you want to up your Instagram game, you like tips and tricks videos and tutorials, well, be sure to subscribe and click that little bell next to it to be notified every time I make a new video. Alright guys, that's it from me. Take care.